What up, what up, what up, what up, my fearless ones? I'm in my car. I'm getting ready to run somewhere. I know we don't supposed to be going nowhere, but I have to go to the post office. And I wanted to do a quick update. Now, I weighed myself 7 days ago, and I've been drinking my Delgado coffee faithfully. And I just wanted to give you guys the update. I've lost 2 pounds because I do have a scale at home. Unfortunately, I'm not able to go to the gym. I haven't been doing my workouts at home because I work at home. So usually I have a full schedule even though we're quarantined. Like, I'm not bored, you guys. I literally have a full schedule of things that I have to do every day. I still get up early. I just finished cooking dinner, which was an enchilada pie. I've been trying to cook things from scratch and stay away from the restaurants. Actually, we haven't eaten out in close to a month. So I know my son is going to wake up hungry, and I don't want him going for the snacks like, you know, Hot Pockets and burritos and making sandwiches. So I just went ahead and went in there and made an enchilada pie. Now, I did sneak some fresh spinach in the layers on top of the tortilla shell, so you know, to get him, because he don't like to eat vegetables. So I snuck some fresh spinach because it had been in the refrigerator for a few days and I needed to use it anyway. But I initially bought it because I use it for my salads, but I haven't eaten any salads in a few days, so I figured I'd use it. Yeah, I wanted to do an update. So I lost 2 pounds. Let me tell you about some of the TLC products. The tea is a detox. Now, if you're looking for weight loss, the coffee would be your product, the Delgado coffee. It comes in this little sachet, and you can just throw it in your purse, mix it with water. Like I said, I mix mine with coffee. But I wanted to do the quick video before I left. What am I going to the post office to do? All of my products that I sell. My popular products, I try to house them here with me so I can ship them as quickly as possible. Waist trainer is one of my Sweet Sweat waist trainers are one of my biggest sellers. I sell a lot of them every day. So I'm headed to the post office now to ship them off. Now, if you buy a product from TLC that's more than $40 on my website, I will ship you personally a Sweet Sweat waist trainer, which will assist you in getting your stomach flatter as you detox or lose weight with the Delgado tea, whichever one you want to use. Now, people claim to lose weight with the detox tea, which I have, but it's really not a weight loss tea. It is a detox tea. I'm waiting on my tea to come, so I will actually show you guys how I'm going to drink it and give you a little insight. I will do a before and after. I will actually shake it up, drink it on camera, and then the next day I will give you my review of the new teas that TLC offer. I just usually drink the original, but I decided I was going to drink some of the CBD tea. So be on the lookout for that video. But again, to all of my Arise people, I'm sending you out some samples. They're coming from my daughter. She is a new affiliate with TLC, and she has some samples to give away. So I figured, why not give them to my Arise family? If you like the way the product make you feel, just click the link. Go to my website and purchase you some nutritional products. I'm telling you guys, you will not regret it. I feel just great. I'm super energized, as you can see, and I haven't eaten anything. I just drank my coffee and took a few vitamins, and I'm up ready to go. I usually only eat 1 time a day, and it's usually midday, and I'm good to go. So I mean, I feel super good. I'm just super energized. This weather is crazy. Yesterday it was kind of warm. Today it's chilly and it's raining. So I'm gonna get my tasks done for the day, get home, get back to work, get back to doing what I do best, which is marketing and sales. You can't go wrong with sales, right? Until next time, you guys, take care, be safe, stay in, love you, stay fearless. Bye.